In this video, we show how to replace the TPM on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing the TPM, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the TPM, you must first remove the cover and the M.2 riser. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove the riser, loosen the two captive screws that secure it to the system board. Lift the riser to disengage it from the connector on the system board. To remove the TPM, press the module down and remove the screw using the Torx bit shipped with the replacement one. Next, slide the TPM module out of its connector. Rotate the plastic rivet 90 degrees counterclockwise to release it from the system board. To install the TPM, align and insert it into the TPM connector. Press down on the TPM to snap the rivet into place. To install the riser, align it with the connector on the system board and insert it firmly until it is fully seated. Then tighten the two captive screws that secure the riser to the system board. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.